All right, good morning if you're doing this in the morning, afternoon, if you're doing it in the afternoon, whatever. This is just me introducing the lesson to you. This is our first lesson having officially restarted learning called World War II Review, Causes of the War. Some of you have had this, even if you've had it, that is great. You see in the bottom left of this first slide a little graphic that shows you things that were major causes. Some of them you're going to learn in this little mini lesson, some you will not. You'll notice the one to the right, the picture of the meme, talks about something you may have learned about. Germany going into the Sudetenland without permission, and it is connected to something you did learn about in World War I, and some of you learned about it already in World War II in it, the Treaty of Versailles. So there's your learning targets. It tells you what you're going to be doing, the reason you're going to be doing it, and how you'll know you've got it. I'm also giving you, if you need help in the middle of this, since we're not going to have our sessions where we actually meet till later in the week, you can email me and I'll give you whatever help you need. There are some directions. There are links on the slides I'm about to show you to get you to the sources you need. But if you want any text to be read to you, you can use Google Translate. But the first source is a BrainPop video. And the BrainPop video you'll simply watch. It's less than 5 minutes long, so it shouldn't be hard. But the thing you got to keep in mind is look at the questions before you watch the video so you know what to ask for, particularly this last one, when it's asking you about two leaders united with Hitler. When you hear who that is, you pause the video, you come here and you write your answers. Then the second source is a Newsela, which you might want to copy the text and paste into Google Translate, or you can just read it yourself. It's only asking for three basic questions. So there's like two activities, and then the last thing that you need to absolutely do is these reflection surveys. And this reflection survey is about what you learned. So you just click on it. First and last name, who your teacher is, that would be me if you're watching this. And then what question do you still have about the causes of World War II? Put it in right there. The other survey is about how you're learning. So we're looking at this new way of doing learning so we can keep thinking about it and make it better if we need to. So just those couple of questions there and just submit it. Simple as that. See this one, it doesn't even ask for you to put your name in. And then there are optional activities. Option 1, option 2, and option 3. Those you can do if you want to. So I hope that all helps you. I hope that is something beneficial to you. And again, email any questions if you have them.